So yeah, it's 8:45 p.m. right now. I just got dropped off here at LAX. Guess where we're heading today? We're heading to South America, to Peru, baby, and I'm taking you guys with me, so I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy this.
Control and Batman with his fist, and clearly I don't see myself upon that list. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can.
Just finished up our layover here in Mexico City, about to head to Lima. My friend, he's from Idaho.
California. Living in Idaho.
Oh, true. Oh, I got the whole plane to myself. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Man, I thought I had the whole plane to myself. I guess that's not true at all. We're heading to Lima, baby. Yo, check this out. I think I might have scored. I think I got my own row. How you like that? Man, they brought us a sandwich, but look, check this sandwich out, yo. Just arrived at Cusco. Just got my bag. Check me out. No, estoy bien, gracias. Alright, so I just found my taxi driver, and I'm following him to Wild Rover Hostel.
Así, señor Cristian.
Just arrived here to my hostel.
Ahí está mi número de teléfono, ahí está WhatsApp, todo.
Gracias, te mando mensaje entonces.
Ya cuando usted quiere.
Muchas gracias.
Pase, señor.
So I just arrived here to my hostel in Cusco. Check my bunk out. It's pretty dark, but we're about to go out and mess up the town. Good morning, guys. I just arrived here in Cusco. I'm staying here at Wild Rover, and it's actually a pretty sweet place. This is my boy.
Good morning.
Introduce
Buenas
yourself.
noches. Me llamo Zach.
Not bad. So I just walked out of my hostel right now. I'm heading to the historic city center to go and explore a little bit. There's a lot of steps. Oh, look at the dog. Look at the dog. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go do some sightseeing and yeah, see what Cusco has to offer. Another doggy. Dogs everywhere. Buenos dias. And there's another dog. So I'm absolutely loving this city already. The only problem I have is that we're sitting at such a high elevation. I think it's 3,600 meters. Might be wrong on that. So I keep running out of breath, but supposedly it takes a couple days to climatize, so we'll see. Right now we are in the Santa Ana district of Cusco, and we're heading to see the Cathedral of Cusco and a couple other sites, so pretty excited. Man, they also have some sick ass rides here though, no lie. So there's two things I gotta remember to get while I'm in the city. I need some sunglasses and I need to find a way to get to Machu Picchu, so hopefully I can get that done today.
Maluma, baby. Apenas sale el solito te vas corriendo. Sé que pensarás que esto me está doliendo. Yo no estoy pensando en lo que estás haciendo. Si somos ajenos y así nos queremos. Si conmigo te quedas o con otro tú te vas, no me importa un carajo porque sé que volverás. Si conmigo te quedas o con otro tú te vas, no me importa un carajo porque sé que volverás. Y si con otro pasas el rato, vamos a ser feliz, vamos a ser felices los cuatro. Y agrandamos el cuarto. Y si con otro pasas el rato, vamos a ser feliz, vamos a ser felices los cuatro.
So right now we're about to go into the Mercado San Pedro, and hopefully I can find myself an alpaca coat.
Con otro pasas el rato, vamos a ser feliz, vamos a ser felices los cuatro. Y agrandamos el cuarto. Y si con otro pasas el rato, vamos a ser feliz, vamos a ser felices los cuatro. Yo te acepto el trato y lo hacemos todo rato. 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 Lo nuestro no depende de impacto. Disfruta y solo siente el impacto. El boom boom que te quema ese cuerpo de sirena. Tranquila que no creo en contratos. Y siempre que se va regresa a mí. Y felices los cuatro. No importa el que dirán, no puta sí. Cantamos el cuarto. Y siempre que se va regresa a mí. Y felices los cuatro. No importa el que dirán, somos tal para. Y si con otro pasas el rato, vamos a ser
That's the only thing sad about this place is there's so many stray dogs. So many. You can't do anything about it. Man, I really need to get some sunglasses and quick. Says there that that's the Arco Santa Clara. So this here is Calle Marquez, and it's a pretty cool place to come walk around. There's a lot of good restaurants to eat at and a lot of nice places to find like nice fabrics, tattoos, booze, all kinds of things. I'm okay, thank you. I just arrived here to the historic center, and guess what? I got glasses, baby. Check that out. How sick is that? This cathedral is absolutely beautiful. Kids marching in the street. Yo, this city is epic, dude. So this behind me is the Basilica de la Cathedral, I believe. And the one in front of me, that way, is the Cusco Cathedral, which is where we're heading next. These cobblestone roads are absolutely amazing, and I hear music at the end of the road, so I'm following that. Sick is this? guys think about this sweater? I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it. Yo, how awesome was that? I'm so glad I followed the music. So I just found an agency that's gonna pick me up in my hostel tomorrow morning for 55 soles and take me to a city close to Aguascalientes where I'll be heading to Machu Picchu. So that's exciting.
¿Vamos a gastar un monto o se cancela?
Si desea lo puede cancelar. Santa Teresa hidroeléctrica, hasta acá, hermano. Aproximadamente a las 3 de la tarde llegas a la hidroeléctrica, ¿no es cierto? Y de acá a acá te vas caminando.
¿Y cuánto horas es el caminando?
Caminando solamente es 2 horas, es aproximadamente 10 kilómetros.
Ok.
Pero también hay la opción que puedas comprar tu tren. Okay. Pero no te...
Just got my ticket. We're going to Machu Picchu, baby. Gracias, Jose.
Bueno.
Forgot my glasses already. Ooh, this place has mushrooms. You know where I'm going. Nah, I'm just playing. No, estoy bien, gracias. I'm actually a bit thirsty. I might join them. What's up, guys? Just chilling right now in this little plaza right here. Don't know what it's called, but pretty sweet spot. Anyways, I just got done buying my bus ticket to Hidroeléctrica, which is about 7 hours away from here. I'll be heading there tomorrow at 5 a.m. From there, I'll be making a 2 to 3 hour trek to Aguascalientes. I'll be spending the night in Aguascalientes, and the following morning, about 3:34ish, I'll be starting my trek to Machu Picchu. So I'm fucking excited because Machu Picchu has been on my bucket list for forever. Everybody must be getting out of school right now or something. Probably gonna shower up, change, get my ass to the gym, and try and not booze it up today because I gotta be up early. Oh, look at the doggies. Look at the doggies. Hey, baby. Look at this. God, I love dogs, dude. Actually, you know what? I take that back. Looks like I gotta work out right now. Fuck me, dude. I'm tired.
Ñoja Coca Quinto Cani. Mi nombre es Coca Quinto. Estamos aquí en Cusco. Buena vibra, mano.
Yo soy Alejandra y soy peruana y estamos acá.
Estos son mis amigos. I just ran into them right now. They would like my microphone on my setup, so gave them some tips.